Presenting Kajol in the house.
I'm doing well, thank you. I love Rishi Kapoor as an actor. I think to watch him is amazing all the time. मेरी माँ और मैं साथ में अगर आते हैं तो then that is a different story altogether. I don't know whether you want both of us together.
You know, I have a confession to make and I'm going to make it to the camera. This is some 6 years ago, first interview with Kajol and मेरी फट गई है guys. Not even kidding.
दूर रखो नए कपड़े, मुझे सिर्फ वो पुराने कपड़े चाहिए. They want this. So मैं उनके पेट पे लात क्यों मारूं फिर?
For us, our relatable memes are very different of K3G. Back when you were even doing K3G, slightest idea था क्या कि यार ये फिल्म फटे 25 साल बाद लोग देखेंगे, 30 साल बाद लोग देखेंगे.
Like I said, at that point of time हम लोग उस वक्त सोच नहीं रहे थे कि हम लोग कैसी पिक्चर बना रहे हैं या इसको मतलब लोग याद रखेंगे, यार ये याद रखेंगे नहीं. I think we just wanted to make a good film. The simple fact of the matter is that today, if people go into movies, they're not going to watch stars. I just want to tell you that this is not an unseen, this is not a what if situation. I just want to tell you.
Hey guys, my name is Shravan and welcome to Why So Serious. On today's episode, we have somebody who's a great icon, but वो unfiltered queen है. Presenting Kajol in the house. How are you?
I am doing well, thank you.
I had to bring this energy for you.
Yeah, you really had to.
You know
Today I needed it.
You know how much I love you. Okay.
Likewise.
I'm going to actually begin by talking about. मैंने एक ट्रेलर देखा है, ठीक है, और काफी उम्दा ट्रेलर है वो. एक मूवी आ रही है सरजमीन, ठीक है.
मैंने भी सुना है कुछ.
है ना, काफी कूल है वैसे, ठीक है. और जैसे जैसे ट्रेलर स्टार्ट होता है, then I see somebody and I'm like, अरे, she looks like Kajol. You have a twin, you didn't tell us.
I know.
है ना?
No.
काफी कूल है वो.
Come out with it. We come out of it.
See now, क्या रिवील था ये कि सरजमीन में काजोल की ट्विन है.
Yeah.
But on a serious note, यार जब एक ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट आती है आपके पास, ठीक है, जहाँ पे you know you get to contribute so much as an actor, okay? Is it an instant grab के यार ये करनी है, या बहुत टाइम लगता है किसी को आपको कन्विंस करने के लिए कि ये फिल्म करनी है?
और कोई भी पिक्चर करने के लिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कन्विंस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आई ऑलवेज गो बाय माई गट एंड माई डिसीजन. द डिसीजन इज ऑलवेज माइन, इट इज़ नॉट द अदर पर्सन्स. इट इज़ अबाउट हाउ आई सी द फिल्म, वेदर आई agree to the film or I don't agree to the film, whether I can do something with it, I can't do something with it. And to do a film or not to do a film, credit or discredit is mine.
Is yours.
Yeah.
Ah, nice. Also, Ibrahim Ali Khan in the film, and that rapport that I see there, I'm like, एक तो Ibrahim, then there's Prithviraj, then there's Kajol. I'm like, ये film फटेगी और बहुत फटने वाली है. How was it working with Ibrahim? This is his second. While
Yes.
like when he was shooting this, did the first one? No, I don't think so.
No.
तब तक रिलीज नहीं हुई थी ना वो?
नहीं. I think बनी ही नहीं थी उस वक्त.
हाँ, तब तक.
So yeah, so at that point in time, he was really. I don't know, he's not spoken that much. He's a really quiet guy, pretty much. I mean, जो इंटरव्यू में दिखाई देता है और या you know paparazzi के इसमें दिखाई देता है वो थोड़ा सा इतना नहीं है. On sets, he was really in character and just quiet generally around me. Not too much of faffing or whatever.
Yeah. How much is he like his dad? The fact that you worked with his dad. What is that one quality, if I actually ask you, कि यार ये quality same है इन
I think the camera loves both of them. The camera loves both of them. So that's something that you just can't argue with. And he looks so much like Saif that it's a little bit of a, like look at the corner of your eye, like, is that Saif? No, it's not. It's Ibrahim. So it's there is that aspect of it. I think Ibrahim is a little more, I would say a little more, a little quieter, maybe a little quieter. Saif is a little more all out there. His personality is big.
Yeah.
Saif doesn't have don't think he has a quiet bone in his body, literally.
Facts only. Spitting facts. Okay. Like I said at the start of this interview, आप unfiltered queen हो, ठीक है? आपको पता है इंटरनेट पे आपको unfiltered queen बोलते हैं.
Really?
Yeah. You don't know it. It's a surprise, clearly, guys.
Yes.
Kajol being unfiltered queen. But I want to ask you this, that you have been unfiltered जब इंटरनेट एग्जिस्ट भी नहीं करता था, ठीक है? अब ये काफ़ी कूल हो गया कि अरे सैवेज बनते हैं सब लोग, you know what I mean? But you've been savaged, I don't know for how long now, ठीक है?
I don't know what is your definition of savage?
Savage is that you end up saying what you want to say. Like you will not mince your words. You will call it out. अगर अच्छा है तो अच्छा है, बुरा है तो बुरा है. Like you will not vanilla it, if you know what I mean.
I try to vanilla it.
But
That's my version of vanilla.
You
See?
try to vanilla it.
I do. That's my version of vanilla that you're watching right now. What you call unfiltered truth.
No, but I want to ask you this. Ki, was this childhood conditioning? Or was it a conscious decision that I want to say it or I want to call it out as it is?
I think it's laziness. It's really laziness.
What?
I don't have the energy to sit and to make things up better or make them sound better than they actually are in my head.
Huh.
So like I said, I try.
Really try.
Really try. But I don't know whether I succeed 90% of the time.
I think you do. 70% times to हाँ. 30% questionable. But बचपन से ऐसे थे आप? Unfiltered?
Absolutely.
हाँ?
Yeah. Like I'm lazy.
Yeah?
I'm lazy.
Mom did have a conversation with us. Why are you so?
Are you mad? I based myself on my mother. My mother is as bad as me, if not worse. So
now I know where it
मेरी
comes
माँ
from.
और मैं साथ में अगर आते हैं तो then that is a different story altogether. I
Yeah,
don't
like,
know whether you want both of us together.
Who is there? Who is
My mother, hands down.
Always?
Always.
And ऐसे कभी लगा है एक कॉन्वर्जेशन करते हुए कि यार पैर पे कुराड़ी मार दी नहीं
वो
बोलना
काफी
चाहिए.
बार लगा है. काफी बार लगा
By the way, because
और पैर पर कुल्हाड़ी इसलिए नहीं मारी है क्योंकि मतलब किसी को बुरा लगेगा उस वजह से नहीं, लेकिन क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि हाँ इस पे आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट दिस विल बिकम अ मीम, दिस विल बिकम अ हेडलाइन, दिस विल डेफिनेटली गो आउट देयर एंड एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू टेक इट अप एंड मेक इट इनटू समथिंग मच मोर देन व्हाट आई मेंट इट एज. So only because of that, not because I don't think I've ever set out to hurt anybody, and I don't think I've done that either.
Yeah.
So,
But ये बहुत बार होता है that probably you've reacted as a human, which all of us do. पर फिर वो सारे Instagram pages पे पहुंच गया है, वो बन गई है नेशनल हेडलाइन. तो जब काजोल घर पे जाके Instagram स्क्रॉल करती है, does she go for 2 minutes like, what just happened? This got blown out of proportion and how?
it has, of course, it has happened.
Yeah.
This got blown. I think most of the times when I say things do get blown out of proportions. Not because of anything else, but I think it's just that right now people just like that, like the headline a little more than sensationalization more than they like what the context. क्योंकि context इतना innocent है, और अगर आप context में सुनो तो बात इतनी बड़ा चढ़ा के मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ. And I try not to also, because I honestly genuinely feel like why push it? I don't need, like I said, I don't need the headlines. So
yeah, you really don't need that.
I really don't need them.
But I have a confession to make, and I'm going to make it to the camera. This is some 6 years ago. First interview with Kajol, and मेरी फट गई है, guys. Not even kidding, because I have seen Kajol off camera, and I'm like, यार, I am scared to sit in front of this woman. I don't know what's going to happen. She's going to yell at me probably if I don't ask her the right thing. So I put all this pressure on me. Cut to I meet you, and I'm like, oh my God, what a softie you are. I love you. Thank you so much for changing my POV. And guys, honestly, if you see a lot of things in context, you'll realize that it's really not supposed to be blown out of proportion. Because the other thing that also gets blown out of proportion, and I want to hear your POV on this, is this entire thing जो होते रहता है जया बच्चन के साथ, ठीक है? I think somewhere all of us have loved, we end up now loving Jaya Bachchan content every time it comes on my feed. And I'm like, wow, what just happened here? Have you ever been around that situation? जहाँ पे आपने देखा है कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है?
I think right now what is happening is that, whenever you go out somewhere, or if you're going out at a red carpet or something like that, I think right now they want you to react. They just simply want you to react. तो मतलब चिल्लाते रहते हैं. They just keep screaming and screaming and screaming and screaming till you react. And then when you react, they're like, oh, dekho, she has reacted and whatever. So I looked at it from a different point of view. I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है. They want this. So मैं उनके पेट पे लात क्यों मारूं फिर? I might as well give it to them. अरे पैसे बन रहे हैं उनके. They are getting money because of it.
Yeah.
They are getting whatever. चलो दे ही देती हूँ उनको. I mean, I'm Danveer like that.
So that's how the content goes. Like,
I'm
so
very
you know you were
kind-hearted.
compared to them.
Like you said, I'm a very kind-hearted, soft-hearted person. I give them what they want. अभी इतना मांग रहे हैं तो दे ही देती हूँ उनको.
But चलो ये तो हो गया मीडिया का. अब आते हैं घर पे. When Kajol enters home, how is Ajay sir reacting to this? I want to hear that conversation.
Ajay sir does not react to this
At all.
At all. Zero. He has no idea what is happening outside. Or he has an idea, but he doesn't give two hoots about it.
Yeah.
Which is right.
I'm just
सही है.
asking. Ajay sir, I think we should react once. And एक reaction तो बनता है Ajay sir का. But he's never like sat you down and be like, Kajol, can you not be so outspoken one time, please?
No.
Never.
No.
Is it the other way? You tell him.
No. I just tell him he should be spoken. बात तो कर ले भाई. कहीं पे बात तो कर ले. उतना मैं मतलब 3 लोगों की बातें एक साथ करती हूँ एक इंटरव्यू में, तो तू एक इंसान की बात कर ले.
Do you cover up for him at parties also?
No. I don't need to cover up for him.
No, when I say cover up for him, both of you all एक same party में गए हो.
हाँ.
ठीक है, people have come and spoken. Ajay sir has literally spoken probably 3 words. You're like,
Yeah, but most of the people know him too well to
know that ये नहीं करेंगे.
इससे ज्यादा मतलब 3 बातें बोल दी तो मतलब वो ही बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई.
Yeah.
आ गया ही वो बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई.
That's true. But यार, whenever, as you know, I have admired both of you all. Okay, and when I see you all as a power couple, okay, I also know that, you know, while the world may see you as this loud person, ठीक है, Ajay sir is the quiet person. Like is he not? I'm asking you.
And
Okay.
you're still asking
Okay,
me.
no, because there was a reaction. I was like, is he not? Okay, he's like the quieter person. Okay, and there's this great chemistry there. ठीक है, what is it between both of you all that, yeah, we are always in awe of? Like, have you ever given it a thought? Okay, what are people in awe of us for?
I'll leave it as a mystery so
Yeah.
that you can remain in awe of me forever.
But we are always in awe of you. We are always in awe of you. You know that.
Thank
Okay, what I'm going to do now is we are going to go to a meme segment. Okay, we have collected a few memes of you. ठीक है, I'm going to show you memes. You have to react to them. Should we do it?
Cool.
Let's do this. Okay, first meme.
No, it's the opposite way around for me.
Yeah? So it is old clothes, new clothes are dur.
दूर रखो नए कपड़े, मुझे सिर्फ वो पुराने कपड़े चाहिए हमेशा.
But does it take time for you to like shift your clothing types?
No.
No, you're not that person. Next one.
This is truth.
This is truth?
This is truth.
Do you do this with your children?
Definitely.
Yeah? Whenever they're
Definitely.
smiling at their phone?
Definitely, no two ways about it.
Yeah.
What are you looking at?
What are you doing?
What's so funny?
Okay, next one. This.
See, like I said, I think Ajay Devgn is the best dancer, one of the best dancers that we have in the film industry today. Because he's the only person now who's able to dance with his fingers now. अभी मतलब पहले हुआ करता था कि चल के आते थे तो म्यूजिक उसके हिसाब से बनता था. अभी तो सिर्फ उंगलियों से कर रहे हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think he's one of the smartest dancers that we have in the film industry today.
Okay, next one.
हाँ, ये तो और या मतलब हाँ हमारे हाथ में थर्मोमीटर है 102, 101, 99 हमको पता चल जाता है.
Okay. यार ये फिल्म आइकॉनिक है. You know this that whenever you do an interview, people will bring K3G up. ठीक है. We don't know why, but I think K3G is one of those films जो millennials पसंद करते हैं. It has translated to Gen Zs also, and I'm assuming it's going to pass it on to the generations to come. And then these memes, क्योंकि for us, our relatable memes are very different of K3G. अभी तो आप you saw ना, मतलब fever check हो रहा है, क्या क्या check हो रहा है, ठीक है? Back when you were even doing K3G, slightest idea था क्या कि यार ये फिल्म फटेगी. This will 25 साल बाद लोग देखेंगे, 30 साल बाद लोग देखेंगे.
Like I said, at that point of time हम लोग उस वक्त सोच नहीं रहे थे कि हम लोग कैसी पिक्चर बना रहे हैं या इसको मतलब लोग याद रखेंगे, यार ये याद रखेंगे, नहीं. I think we just wanted to make a good film. We wanted to make sure that everything worked. You know, the typical worked in a scene. I don't know how to explain that. I think only when you're making a film can you understand that, whether the scene is working or it's not working. It has a feel, it has a vibe to it. And if that vibe is not there, you know for a fact that the scene has fallen short. इस scene में कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा है उसमें. और वो set पे ही पता चल जाता है कि नहीं हो रहा है. So I think at that point of time we concentrated more on that aspect of it rather than, oh, you know, people will remember this or we are making a cult film. I don't think any of us thought
any
of
of
it
you all
like
thought
that.
of it.
No.
But your character Anjali, how much of Kajol is in that character?
A lot of her.
Yeah.
A lot of her. I think every character that you choose has to have a part of you that you kind of, you know, take out. Acha, theek hai, apne, you have a lot of parts of yourself.
Yeah.
And whichever character you're playing, you choose to emphasize one part of it and make it bigger than life so that you can give the character some shape and some definition. And so, yeah, a lot of Anjali is me.
Yeah?
Sure.
Wow. Also, Shah Rukh sir, this was what, the third film, fourth film we all worked together with?
No clue.
Baazigar, third, right, third. तो DDLJ made you all famous, ठीक है. ये I don't think मुंबई में कभी या इंडिया में हुआ है कि फिल्म अभी तक चल रही है, ठीक है. Do you ever sit back and think about, यार, people still go and watch the film? Like, I have gone 5 times to watch the film. Even though I have watched it at home, I don't know how many times, ठीक है. But as actors, when you sit back and see कि यार हमारी फिल्म अभी तक थिएटर में चल रही है, लोग देख रहे हैं, ठीक है. Do you ever sit back and give a pat to yourself कि यार good job Kajol?
No, good job, yes, definitely. Did a good job on screen. But I don't think that I can take the credit. And I don't think I should take the credit for what the film is doing today. Because what the film is doing today is phenomenal. It is a phenomena that cannot be repeated, replicated, or in any which way copied. Because that is something that वो picture की अपनी किस्मत है.
हाँ.
I think it has to do with all those people who have made it so very, very big and made it part of their families, part of their journeys, part of their traditions, of their lives. So you have, the film is going to complete 30 years this year,
wow.
I think, yeah. And you have people still saying that, oh, you know, I remember DDLJ releasing and I remember getting married because of that. And now I have grown up and now I'm showing it to my kids, and when my kids grow up, hopefully they will be able to show it to their kids as well.
Yeah.
So I think that in itself, the fact that everybody wants to kind of give it down like some very fine piece of tradition that they have, you know, made in their family is something that, no, I can't take credit for that. I can take credit for, yes, we made a good film and we released it, but for it to be so cherished is not something that I can take credit for.
Yeah. And DDLJ was whose idea was it for casting? Like, you know, casting you and Shah Rukh sir. ये तब, मतलब, was it a thing कि यार Kajol and Shah Rukh together, it's going to be a blockbuster? Was it there that time? नहीं ना?
I don't know, honestly. I know that Adi approached me for the film, told me Shah Rukh is doing the film and, you know, I would like you to hear that. हाँ ठीक है, तेरे को करनी है, तू बता दे मुझे. मैंने बोला हाँ ठीक है, हम लोग picture बना ली ना. We have not thought that far ahead. Really, we didn't have that foresight, you know,
back
to
then.
say that, oh, you know, we are going to make one film which is going to run for 30 years in the film industry. No, we never thought we were making Sholay.
Oh. How does Kajol deal with fame?
Lightly, very, very lightly. I don't think you can take it too seriously, because I think I come from a time where there was no social media to pad you up. It gives you a certain objectivity where social media is concerned. And to understand that what there is out there is not necessarily the truth. It is definitely not the truth. It is an image that you have built up of, that you want to present to the world. And no, it's not the truth at all. The truth is your work. The truth is how you deal with people. The truth is your family, your life, how you manage day to day, what you need to do to move day to day and moving forward as well. That is the ground level truth.
Yeah.
And you have to keep in touch with that. And if you start believing the hype that you see on social media, you will lose the plot completely. And I'm very clear about it that yes, social media is a part of the bargain. I cannot ignore it. I cannot not take it seriously. So I do take it seriously enough to understand how to work it. But I think that is, and fame is very much a part of it. Therefore, I mean, even the paps for that matter, even the wherever you go out for that matter, you can't take it dil pe mat lagao. Okay, if you're talking about these paps saying, trolling you, or it's saying that, okay, theek hai, you know, what about the fact that, you know, you are compared to Jaya Bachchan and whatever. I honestly cannot take it seriously. You can't, because that's just one section of it. I have so many other people who meet me on a daily basis, whom I see on a daily basis. I walk through the hotel lobby for that matter, and I have 10 people come up to me and they love me. How can I ignore that part of it? That is real.
Yeah.
That is ground level reality that you're talking about.
Ji.
So when you're talking to people, when you're meeting people, that is ground level reality.
Yeah.
I feel more than, you know, this so-called idea of fame, which I think social media has taken to another level altogether.
डेलुलू में रह रहे हैं सब लोग अभी सोशल मीडिया की वजह से.
Dilulu nahi, lekin I think that it's very easy to believe what everybody else is saying about you on these particular platforms. But
Yeah.
what is the truth?
Yeah.
And what is your truth
Yeah.
of what you believe?
Yeah.
I think what your truth and what you see in the mirror has to be more important than
what you see.
what you see around you and what other people are feeding you.
जी. आपने जो अभी फेम के बारे में कहा है ना, आई ऑल्सो थिंक व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड ऑफ, ओके, और एक्टर्स आपके जो जनरेशन के थे, आई डोंट थिंक दे केम विद द आइडिया कि हमको स्टार बनना है. दे केम विद द आइडिया कि हमको अच्छा एक्टर बनना है.
नहीं,
ऐसे नहीं है क्या?
ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है.
ओके,
अपने आप को डोंट फूल योरसेल्व्स. Everybody
इट्स ओके.
Everybody came in wanting to be a
star.
Please. Nobody came in wanting to be, I want to be a fine actor, including me for that matter. I came in wanting to have fun. I didn't want to be a star also. I didn't want to be an actor also. I came in wanting, let's have fun. We'll do this, we'll do that. It was, for me, it was something else altogether. That's why everybody used to look at me like you're delusional. I don't know where you're coming from. You're from a different planet altogether. So yeah, so everybody came in with the same expectation. Everybody does come into the film industry wanting to become somebody.
Yeah.
You come in wanting to be a Shah Rukh Khan or wanting to be an Ajay Devgn or wanting to be a, Deepika or an Alia. You don't come in wanting to be, oh, I will go in there and I will show them what acting prowess is. No.
But then, don't you think they should also understand कि एक दूसरा शाहरुख खान एक दूसरा अजय देवगन नहीं हो सकता. द रीजन वाई शाहरुख खान इज शाहरुख खान और अजय देवगन इज बिकॉज दे डिडंट ट्राई कॉपिंग somebody's life or they didn't try imitating somebody's life. They had their own journey, they followed it, and their hard work of so many years has made them reach where they are today.
I think right now it is going to be very difficult to become a star in this day and age. I think because somewhere down the line, social media is great. It's a fabulous tool. The simple fact of the matter is that today, if people go into movies to watch films, they're going in to watch films. They're not going to watch stars. If they want to watch a star, agar unko dekhna hai ki, if they want to see the latest good-looking star or whatever, they're going to go to their social media. They're not going to go to a cinema hall.
Yeah.
And that's the difference between stars today. So it's very difficult. Yes, it's very easy to become famous.
Yeah.
But to be a star today is, I would say, nigh on impossible.
Damn. Okay, I'm going to shift the conversation and I'm going to go to your social media. While I admire all the pictures that you post, मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा favorite है पिक्चर के नीचे का कैप्शन पढ़ना. बिकॉज मुझे पता है वो कैप्शन सोशल मीडिया टीम ने नहीं लिखा है. मुझे पता है इन मोहतरमा ने लिखा है वो कैप्शन. ठीक है, कहाँ से आते हैं इतने अमेजिंग आइडियाज कैप्शन के आपके? प्लीज, इज देयर अ लिस्ट दैट यू पिक फ्रॉम?
Sometimes it's from a list that I pick, but I think most of the times it's just my own making fun of the entire business really, or my making fun of myself. And I think that's the whole point, that it should be, right? That's what social media, that's what Instagram anyway started up for. It was meant to make fun. It was meant to have fun with. It wasn't meant to be as serious and as life-threatening as it is right now.
Yeah, now it's
become like a do or die situation, sink or swim, whatever.
Yeah.
So, touch wood, I don't have that. I don't have the drive to earn 100 million followers. Neither do I have the wish to be thought of as constantly posting. So I'm in a happy middle.
Yeah.
I enjoy it very much. मुझे मज़ा आता है, और जब मैं पोस्ट करती हूँ और जब मैं लिखती हूँ, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा हंसती हूँ अपने खुद की captions पे. I'm busy laughing at I think I am hysterical. मुझे तो बड़ा मज़ा आता है उसमें.
है ना? Because there's this one caption I read जहाँ पे लिखा था, is there a staircase to heaven? If there is, please let me know. I said, make that a +1. What I want to do from that caption is, I have, again, my favorite job, I have picked up pictures of you. ठीक है, हम live captioning करेंगे. These are my favorite pictures of you. ठीक है? Are we ready? First picture, guys. Caption this.
It's uncaptionable.
Yeah.
This is what Monday morning feels like.
This is what Monday morning. Again, +1 to that.
Oh my God! I have so many things to caption this with. Oh my God! I'm sitting here and no bhajiyas.
Guys, Kajol loves food. Loves.
Was that a joke? I don't like jokes.
You know what comes after that?
I'm not as innocent as I look. So this is, whenever you ask me a question that I really don't want to answer, this is the expression.
This is the expression you're going to give.
This is the
so next
emoji.
time she gives this expression,
this is the
guys,
emoji.
you know where it is going. Okay. You know, you've almost now tapped into every genre of films. ठीक है, सब कर लिया है ना? Horror कर लिया है, thriller कर लिया है, ठीक है? What is that genre that you still feel like, यार, ये genre किया तो है, but I need to do more of this genre. ऐसे कुछ है?
No, I don't have anything like that. I don't go by genres. I would love to do a script. Like for me, I think it's very important for me to do good scripts, good stories, like really cool stories that I can create and build out of.
Yeah.
You can't make, like I don't want to do a film that I'm not 100% interested in. You know, and I will not be 100% interested if you give me a bad script. So why should I work on it? I would rather not work.
But have you ever done a script that you probably were already iffy about, and then you were like, I knew it's not going to, so let's leave it?
I've learned from experience.
You have, no?
I have. And we will not name those films.
No, we don't have to. We don't have to. We get you. But, yaar, ek cheez jo mujhe for sure I want to talk to you about is the last scene of Ma. Matlab, bhai saab, when you become that. And I'm like, goosebumps only moment happening right here, right now. Because I remember watching the film, goosebumps. I'm like, wait, what is this woman doing on screen? The way you have enacted that entire thing. Okay, take me to when you were shooting that scene. What was Kajol going through? Like, did she know कि ये scene लोगों को देने वाला है काफी goosebumps?
Yes, definitely. I mean, who doesn't think that? It was one of those scenes that I really was like, oh my God, I better do this. There's this immense pressure which you put not from the audience so much as yourself.
Yeah.
It's for yourself, you know. You're like, okay, I'm a good enough actor to fool the audience if I can, but in this scene I will have to fool myself as well. I will have to convince myself that what I am doing is it has to be a true channeling on this point.
Yeah.
I can't afford to even give it that one iota of. I can't afford to screw up even that littlest bit.
Yeah.
So huge pressure, but I have to say that I knew from from the director's expression, from the unit's expression, everybody was looking at me a a little shocked, a little like, a little scared, a little in awe. Like everybody was like talking in like hushed voices.
On
like
that day while you were shooting
it was just this little surreal feeling, and everybody was like kind of just like chupke se baat karna kind of thing. So it was a little surreal.
Yeah, because that scene जब वो heart आपके हाथ में आ जाता है, I'm like, bro, salute to the woman. She has done it. My favorite avatar is here. But यार मुझे हर बार लगता है ये, whenever I watch anything that's a little mytho, okay, I feel like if you don't have the divine blessing, वो आप कितना भी ट्राई कर लो वो नहीं आएगा. फिर आप कितना भी इफेक्ट्स डाल दो, कितना भी म्यूजिक डाल दो. और उस सीन में मुझे जेन्युइनली लग रहा था that there was a divine blessing.
Oh, definitely, no two ways about it. I think the entire film, when it came to me on a concept level, also, I was I knew for a fact I had to do this. It was like I have to do this. There is something telling me inside me that no, I have to do this. Whatever happens, nobody else but me can do this film. And everything just cut, went also so smoothly. And everything just fell into place from the time that I heard the script in June to the time that we started shooting. It was like a bare 6 months. And I want to tell you, this never happens in movie making.
Yeah.
You never go from concept to shoot in 6 months. Never. It always takes you at least like 8 to 10 months, maybe sometimes even a year, sometimes longer than that. Because you have to go from concept to script to taking everybody's dates to doing the recce's. I mean, it's a lot of work. So for it to fall into place so fast, so quickly, it was like, no, this is the way that you're going. This is meant to happen the way it is meant to happen.
Yeah.
So I remember before the film released also, the night before the film released, I told Ajay also, and I told him, I said, no, I don't know what we have, I don't know what the film is going to do.
Yeah.
I really don't know what the film is going to do, and honestly, I really don't care. But I know for a film that it'll do well, but whatever happens with this film, see, we've done this film for a reason.
Yeah.
Jo bhi ho.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Damn, no, but kudos to you and congratulations for all the love that you've been getting from mom, because, like I said, it's divine. It gives us goosebumps, and you will see clearly Kajol in a never before seen avatar. Or like Nisa Devgan said, this is my mother when she enters my room. Matlab that, I'm like, wow. Like daughter trolling mother loves this concept. But is that you at home also?
Pretty much. My daughter has a great sense of humor.
She's picked it up from you, na?
Yeah,
It's in the DNA. खून में है वो.
बिल्कुल.
So whenever she also comes across a meme of you, does she show it to you? Be like, Mom, you're famous again. People are talking about you on Instagram again. Does this happen?
Yeah, sometimes it depends. क्योंकि बहुत सारी बार होता है. So she has to pick and choose the best.
The best ones. Okay, should I take this to my mother or no? I don't know. Okay, what I'm going to do is now, now we are not showing you pictures. We are going to lighten the mood a little bit more again. And I have, what would you do for you? So what would Kajol do? First one, what would you do if you woke up one day and your voice had been replaced by Shah Rukh Khan's voice?
Right now it's sounding like him also.
So interview dete.
I would have sat down and made myself look ultra pretty.
Ultra pretty, yeah? Nice.
And sat down and done a fabulous interview.
Ooh, okay. आप क्या करते if someone cast you in the remake of Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, but इस time आपका रोल होता बाबूजी का?
Oh my God. If I but I would have to accept that role also, no?
You've accepted the role now.
Why will I make such a stupid decision?
You'd be like Babuji. So clearly,
Babuji can only be played by Babuji. Babuji cannot
be played by you at
else.
all. Okay, what would you do if your kids start binge watching all your 90s films और उन फिल्मों के dialogues आप पे use करें?
Touchwood, they have not had this idea so far, and please let's not give it to them.
Guys, please watch. What are y'all doing? You're sitting on gold mine. But have you showed them any of your like 90s films?
They've watched some of them. I mean, they've watched the most famous ones. But my son has watched Pyar To Hona Hi Tha.
Oh.
And my daughter has watched Pyar To Hona Hi Tha. They've watched DDLJ, I think, parts, and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai also they've seen. They haven't seen Dushman, which I want to show them. They haven't seen quite a few of my films.
That film scarred me for life. I'm going to tell you that. Every time I saw a postman, I was like, bro, bhago. I would see the postman coming, मैं उल्टे direction में भागता था. So that. Okay, next one. What would you do if you were stuck in an elevator with three of your on-screen characters? Anjali, Simran, and Meera from Dilwale. Who gets to push the emergency button?
Me. Because for the simple fact that first of all, तो I would want a gun to kill all three of them. एक तो बहुत बात करती है, एक तो बंदूक लेके घूमती है, और दूसरी चुपचाप सी बैठी है पीछे वेट कर रही कोई आएगा उसको बचाने के लिए. नहीं, it's not happening.
You would press the button.
I would press the emergency button for sure.
What would you do if the Paps followed you into a grocery store and caught you buying, like, 5 types of achar, Maggi, Nutella, everyday things?
What
You
does
just
that
give them a stare.
I'd give them I'd tell them to,
Just leave.
yeah.
Stop following me here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to tell you that this is not an unseen, this is not a what if situation. I just want to tell you this.
Yeah. Okay. What would you do if Ajay Devgn secretly started a cooking vlog and it got more followers than your movies?
Wow. My movies or his movies? That question needs to be rephrased.
I'm going to leave it right there. ठीक है. What would you do if you found one of your iconic 90s outfit in a now Gen Z fashion trend? Would you wear it again or not wear it?
I wouldn't mind trying it on.
है ना?
Yeah.
But बहुत सारा fashion आ रहा है वापस of the 90s.
Yeah, absolutely.
है ना?
But I have one. Chiffon sarees, so I'm still wearing till today.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's one trend that I've happily hopped onto, and I never plan to leave.
Perfect. No, but I'm going to say this again on camera, guys. This is like me crushing on Kajol or all again. I don't think anybody rocks a sari as gorgeous as this lady sitting here.
Thank you.
Okay, next one. What would you do if you relieve any scene from your films, but only as a blooper?
I've had a lot of bloopers.
Yeah? Which
Yeah,
one?
a lot. A lot more bloopers than actual okay takes, in fact. Okay takes मतलब एक ही होता है okay, उसमें से 9 bloopers होते हैं और फिर okay take एक होता है. कितने bloopers हैं? I think lots.
Lots of
There's
them?
Lots. DDLJ had a lot of them.
Yeah?
Yeah, we really screwed up because I think I've screwed up maximum with Sarojji. That's why
Yeah.
she loved me. I think इतना प्यार करती थी मुझसे क्योंकि because I have really screwed up so beautifully in front of her and so many times, and she had to correct me so many times, especially in the songs and things like that. Lots of times.
Lots of bloopers?
Lots of times.
कल मैं किससे बात कर रहा था? I remember this person talking to me about this scene where there was a dead body lying in front of you. Continued laughing.
Yeah.
Half an hour you were laughing only.
I know. I really found I find dead body scenes actually really funny.
Why?
Because at the end of the day मतलब scene serious है कि it's a very serious scene for the film. But when you're actually shooting it, आप लोग बस वैसे ही ऐਵੇਂ ही बैठे हो. You all are waiting for the shot to happen. I mean, it's one of the most boring things to shoot.
Is it?
It's a really boring shoot. So there's nothing interesting happening. You never have interesting dialogues to say during that time. It's really one of the most. It's the time when I get bored, then I start thinking of things to do. Then I start wanting to entertain myself. Then that
random joke that you heard comes to your head
and comes to me, and then I want to crack it also, for that matter, in a quiet aside to the person sitting next to me. So all of that nonsense starts happening, which is why I feel that that's dicey.
It's very scary,
Very
guys.
scary.
And the last one.
Yeah.
What would you do if you had to spend a day in Bollywood, but you were invisible? Who said would you sneak onto?
I don't want to be invisible.
No?
I wouldn't be in the film industry if I wanted to be invisible. If I wanted to be invisible, I would definitely not go onto a set to be invisible.
Just walk.
I would go to the grocery store.
Where paps are not following. Where paps are not following. But, okay, give me 5 movie recommendations that you even today watch. These can be any films.
I recently went on a binge on watching movies on YouTube, actually. So I saw Sound of Music.
Wow.
I saw Cars, I re-saw Cars, Ye Wada Raha, great music. I love Rishi Kapoor as an actor. I
Yeah.
think to watch him is amazing all the
That
time.
is true.
And again, what great music
Yeah.
he had. Pyar To Hona Hi Tha. So yeah, those are my four.
Four recommendations,
Four
for sure.
recommendations for sure.
Okay, and the last
And Sholay. How
and
can we
Sholay, of course, Sholay,
How can we
iconic.
forget Sholay.
Sholay.
Iconic. Start
Iconic.
from wherever.
The last one coming your way, and this is something new that we've introduced this time. What you're supposed to do is, okay, you have to record a voice note, and this voice note,
But when I'm sounding like Shah Rukh Khan.
yeah, it's gonna go viral. You know
Or is
it.
it Ajay Devgn?
Imagine you can pick, but you know it'll go viral. Okay, so you have to record a voice note. Now this voice note can be to anybody in the world. Okay, it can be to your friend. It can be to person that you don't like. You don't have to name it. Don't worry. Okay, and you can say whatever you want to say in this voice note. You'll get a minute. You can say anything. Even it can be to anybody in the world.
हाँ.
Go for it.
To anybody voice note.
Yeah, a voice note.
तो मैं क्या करूँगी इस voice note के साथ?
We'll send it, no? We'll find the person. We'll hunt the person down. और अगर हमने नहीं ढूंढा तो इंटरनेट तो हेल्प कर ही देगा. तो go for it. The mic is all yours. I'm looking at the time.
Oh my God.
Yes.
I have. You want me to do a rant, basically?
Go on a rant. This is your stage. Go for a rant.
I don't know whether I can speak for a minute or not. That's a bit long.
Uh-huh.
Too much screen time.
Huh.
But I will say that this rant is for all those people who wear unrealistic clothes to airports and unrealistic shoes to airports. I just want to tell y'all that y'all are setting other people up for bad reviews and for being realistic and for actually traveling to places that take time and have to wear comfortable shoes and clothes too.
Whoa! Mic drop there. Mic drop. But this is so true. This is so true. I'm not even a celebrity, guys. मैं जब airport जाता हूँ अभी मैं सोचता हूँ यार I'll have to wear अच्छे कपड़े because I'm like, what if I get fapped? You never know. But
Have
thank
you
you
got
so
fapped?
much. I haven't got fapped yet. Not yet. Do I want to get fapped? Questionable. But okay, I'm going to actually turn the table to you. If you had the opportunity to ask me a question, anything, go for it.
If I had the opportunity
Yeah,
to
ask me
a
anything
question.
you want. Do you want to ask me anything?
No.
No?
Not really.
Kajol, it's like I know you as a person, that's enough.
Yeah,
But thank
घर
you so
भेज दो
much.
मुझे.
Thank you so much for doing this. There are very few actors who, make you feel like home, and you're one of them. I'm just going to say that.
Thank you.
Because I love you as an actor, but I even love you more as a human being. And please stay unfiltered, because we need unfiltered.
But I'm telling you, I'm not unfiltered.
You know what I mean?
Honest, I'm not unfiltered.
You know what I
I'm
mean?
trying very hard to be filtered.
But that's what I'm saying. Be this person. Be this person. Continue being the OG rock star that you are, because there are so many of us that love you.
Thank you.
Keep soaring high. I'm going to see you super soon. Till then, this one is a wrap.